Welcome to an exciting journey where technology and the power of the sea come together. In today's video, we will take you inside the high-tech fishing fleet of the United States, where massive tuna catches totaling 300 tons are hauled in. You will witness an incredibly efficient tuna harvesting process, featuring modern ships, advanced equipment, and a talented crew working tirelessly amidst the crashing waves. Is this the future of the fishing industry? Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind one of the most impressive tuna harvests in the world.
Preparation for fishing trips demands an unwavering commitment to detail. Every piece of equipment is meticulously checked, ensuring that all systems function optimally to guarantee efficiency and safety on those long ocean journeys. This diligence in preparation is not merely a task, it is the very foundation for successful fishing expeditions. As fishermen venture into the vast ocean, the quest to find schools of bluefin tuna becomes an intricate dance between technology and skill. Sophisticated fish-finding technology plays a pivotal role, yet it is the seasoned judgment of the fishermen that truly enhances their chances of a successful catch. In this challenging pursuit, accuracy and intuition become indispensable allies. Upon catching these majestic bluefin tuna, a meticulous processing ritual unfolds on board, adhering to stringent standards of quality. This attention to detail is especially crucial when preparing the fish for export to discerning markets such as Japan and Europe. Remarkably, every part of the fish is utilized effectively, showcasing a deep respect for the resources the sea provides. However, the journey is not without its trials. Fishermen relentlessly battle against harsh conditions, facing the formidable forces of strong winds and tumultuous seas. These challenges add layers of complexity to their profession, yet it is through these very hardships that their resilience and determination shine brightest. As soon as the bluefin tuna is caught, immediate and careful processing becomes paramount. This urgency is driven by the need to maintain exceptional quality, adhering to strict standards of freshness and preservation. The fish must enter the market at its peak condition to truly reflect its value. The integration of satellite technology and GPS into fishing practices has revolutionized the industry. Fishermen adeptly track the migratory patterns of bluefin tuna, responding to fluctuations in temperature and food availability. This innovative approach not only enhances the chances of a successful catch but also redefines the strategies employed on the water. Once the bluefin tuna reaches port, an intricate dance of transportation and auctioning begins. Here, chefs and traders eagerly pay premium prices for the finest quality fish. This high demand underscores the culinary significance of bluefin tuna, elevating its status in kitchens around the globe.
In the realm of post-catch processing, every detail matters.
The process of grading, packaging, and preserving fish freshness employs advanced technologies that ensure only the best cuts make their way to high-end dishes like sushi. This effort reflects a dedication to excellence that resonates throughout the industry. In a commendable display of sustainability, no part of the bluefin tuna goes to waste. Byproducts are creatively utilized for various purposes, such as pet food and fish stock. This commitment to reusing resources emphasizes the fishing industry's dedication to sustainability and environmental stewardship. Beyond the daily grind, the fishing industry embodies a profound sense of resilience and a deep-rooted love for the sea. This ongoing connection between fishermen and their environment is vital for nurturing a stable marine economy, reminding us of the intricate balance that sustains life in our oceans. Yet, the path is fraught with challenges. Fishermen encounter numerous obstacles at sea, requiring a unique blend of modern technology and time-honored practices. Their ability to adapt and respond to changing conditions is crucial, shaping the outcome of each fishing trip. With advanced tools like radar and sonar at their disposal, captains skillfully locate tuna schools. By merging the power of technology with their rich experience, they bolster their chances of a successful outing, ensuring that efficiency remains at the core of their fishing operations. The immediacy of processing cannot be overstated. Quick actions are essential, as even the smallest bruises on the fish can drastically diminish market value. Therefore, implementing rapid cooling and bleeding techniques becomes vital for preserving quality. Fishing operations thrive on relentless commitment. Sailors work tirelessly in shifts, dedicated to monitoring conditions, maintaining equipment, and expertly navigating through the unpredictable chaos of stormy weather. Their vigilance is a testament to their unwavering dedication. The unpredictable nature of fishing, where days may pass without a catch or sudden storms may disrupt progress, creates immense pressure on the crew. Yet, it is through these challenges that they forge resilience, gaining strength from every experience and embracing the journey that is fishing. The rich history of tuna fishing reveals a remarkable journey from the age-old, traditional techniques to the innovative methods we see today. This transformation has not only significantly boosted productivity but has also enhanced the safety of fishermen, shaping a vibrant and evolving industry that thrives in the present. At the heart of modern tuna fishing are purse seine nets, essential tools expertly designed to capture substantial quantities of fish with utmost efficiency. Their expansive size and intricate design are particularly tailored for ensnaring the mighty giant tuna, showcasing the blend of ingenuity and practicality in fishing today. Immediately following the catch, processing tuna is a critical step that ensures the fish maintains its freshness and quality. This swift action is vital, as it guarantees that the tuna retains its market value, a key component for success in the ever-demanding seafood market. Preserving tuna immediately is of utmost importance. Placing this prized catch into ice tanks slows down decomposition and upholds quality. This essential practice guarantees that only the highest caliber fish make it through the processing stages, safeguarding standards within the industry. Further along in the process, sorting tuna by size and freshness becomes a strategic move to optimize processing. Fresh, high-quality fish are prioritized to create premium products, while any that are past their prime are discarded, ensuring a meticulous commitment to quality. The art of processing tuna extends to its diverse culinary applications. Tuna meat is transformed into various cuts, ideal for exquisite dishes like sashimi and sushi. Each segment is handled with care, ensuring that its natural flavor and freshness are beautifully preserved. The tuna fishing season generally flourishes from May to September, with prime locations including the stunning shores of Hawaii, California, and the rich waters of the Gulf of Mexico. These regions consistently draw in schools of migrating tuna, creating a hotspot for fishing activities. With the advent of modern technology, the efficiency of fishing has reached new heights. Innovative fish-finding tools, such as drones and aircraft, have emerged, enabling fishermen to locate fish schools with pinpoint accuracy. This technological leap optimizes both time and resources, making fishing expeditions more fruitful. In light of the challenges presented by resource depletion, sustainability measures have surfaced to safeguard tuna populations. Regulations on catch sizes and the establishment of no-take zones reflect a balanced approach, aiming to harmonize economic gain with the imperative of environmental protection. Tuna takes center stage in the culinary world, with varied preparations including grilled, stewed, and braised dishes. This versatility highlights the adaptability of tuna meat, appealing to a wide range of taste preferences and showcasing its culinary potential. Advancements in preservation techniques shine a light on modern methods like freezing and vacuum packaging, which play a crucial role in maintaining the freshness and quality of tuna as it journeys to markets around the globe. This commitment to quality ensures that consumers receive the best of what the ocean has to offer. Despite the hurdles presented by resource scarcity and the looming effects of climate change, the tuna processing industry stands at a crossroads of challenges and opportunities. Embracing technological advancements opens the door to growth and innovation, pivotal for navigating the future. In the world of cuisine, tuna meat holds a prestigious place, particularly in dishes like sashimi and sushi, where absolute freshness is non-negotiable for ensuring quality. This economic significance fuels the fishing industry, underscoring the vital connection between culinary artistry and fishing practices. The versatility of tuna products is striking, encompassing options such as canned, grilled, and smoked varieties that cater to the diverse tastes of consumers. This adaptability fosters growth within the industry, expanding its reach and market opportunities across the globe. However, the threats of overfishing and climate change loom large over the tuna industry, highlighting an urgent need for stringent regulations to secure sustainability. Addressing these pressing issues is not just necessary, it is a crucial step toward ensuring a vibrant future for the industry and the oceans that nurture it. The world of tuna fishing is richly diverse, with various methods such as handline and purse nets being utilized, each adapted to specific scales and purposes. This variety showcases the ingenuity of fishermen and the intricate relationship we share with our oceans. Understanding the significance of regulations on fish size, quotas, and sustainable practices is crucial. These measures not only prevent overfishing but also ensure that tuna populations thrive for the well-being of future generations, emphasizing our responsibility toward marine life. Amidst this panorama of challenges, the rise of tuna farming represents a beacon of hope. By alleviating pressure on wild stocks, it offers a stable food source while simultaneously safeguarding our precious marine ecosystems. The tuna fishing industry stands as a backbone for the economies of coastal nations such as Japan and Spain, fueling both domestic and international markets. This economic influence reverberates through local communities, showcasing how vital this industry is to their livelihoods. Embracing the future, technological advancements like artificial intelligence and eco-friendly vessels are becoming essential. These innovations not only aim to stabilize fish supply but also prioritize the health of our marine environments, paving the way for sustainable fishing practices. On a global scale, international organizations play a pivotal role in regulating tuna fishing activities. By establishing strict quotas and guidelines, they work tirelessly to protect our marine resources, ensuring the continued survival of tuna populations. In this evolving landscape, continued research and innovation in fishing methods remain imperative. We must ensure responsible consumption among the public, and education serves as a powerful tool in this ongoing effort to protect our oceans. Tuna farming is an intriguing avenue being explored, aimed at reducing pressure on wild stocks and stabilizing market supply. However, it is not without challenges, facing issues such as high costs and potential environmental impacts. Creating sustainable supply chains is vital, with seafood companies focusing on sourcing fish exclusively from certified sustainable sources. This commitment is essential in meeting the growing global demand for responsible consumption. To facilitate sustainable practices, countries are investing in modern equipment and comprehensive training programs. This support empowers fishermen to enhance their efficiency while adhering to environmental regulations, fostering a culture of responsibility. Furthermore, the development of tuna preservation infrastructure, such as advanced cold storage systems, plays an integral role in the supply chain. These systems help maintain fish quality and significantly reduce loss after catching, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Consumer demand for environmentally friendly seafood is reshaping the industry, urging businesses to adopt responsible fishing methods and even explore alternatives like plant-based tuna. This shift is not just a trend, it is a movement towards sustainability. To enhance accountability in the industry, transparency initiatives are being implemented to trace the origin of tuna from capture to consumer. This effort aims to combat illegal fishing activities, giving consumers the power to make informed choices. The circular economic model stands as a testament to innovation, promoting the maximum utilization of tuna parts to minimize waste. This includes extracting fish oil for pharmaceuticals and using fins in cosmetics, illustrating our creative solutions to sustainability. Cooperation among governments and international organizations is crucial in controlling illegal fishing. With the incorporation of electronic monitoring systems on vessels, these collaborative efforts aim to protect tuna resources more effectively. As we look ahead, sustainable consumption markets will play an essential role in steering the tuna industry towards responsible practices, ensuring that tuna stocks are preserved for generations to come. This growing demand is a powerful catalyst for business innovation. In developed countries, the increasing preference for clean and transparent seafood is driving businesses to elevate product quality and adhere to international standards. This not only fosters a competitive market but also reinforces our commitment to sustainability. Lastly, the diversification of tuna products is a trend that continues to gain momentum, aimed at catering to the varied needs of consumers. This strategy encompasses developing ready-to-eat options like smoked and vacuum-packed tuna, reflecting our adaptability in meeting consumer expectations.
As we've seen today, the scale and efficiency of modern tuna harvesting are truly awe-inspiring. The combination of cutting-edge technology and skilled workers makes this process not only impressive, but also a testament to how the fishing industry is evolving. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of high-tech fishing, make sure to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and behind-the-scenes looks at groundbreaking industries. Stay tuned for more thrilling adventures.